Let me show you what separates Apollo Plus from anything else. Snap-on is the only US-based company designing, engineering, and supporting professional diagnostic products, and we've been doing it for 40 years. More shops and technicians rely on Snap-on than all others combined, and nothing should make you more money. Our custom hardware is built from the ground up to give you reliability, speed, and durability. The data cable has a light at the end to ease the connection, and it's wired not only for instant communication but to power and charge the unit. When you plug into the vehicle, the 10-inch touchscreen comes to life in just 2 seconds, easily the fastest in the industry. Many customers connect it to every vehicle that rolls into their bay. An automatic test quickly scans each system for codes and saves a report that's easily shared with customers. And when you get into the capabilities of the scanner, no one covers more vehicles, systems, codes, data, or tests. This is true for domestic, Asian, and European makes. But beyond the best coverage, our software is there to provide diagnostics help when needed. Snap-on's code-based filters provide information and testing capabilities for the vehicle you are working on and presents it in a consistent troubleshooting path. The SureTrack Top Repairs graph shows commonly replaced parts and fixes, helping you see pattern failures based on confirmed repairs and mileage. This is proven repair information we gather from the tens of thousands of shops running our shop management systems. It's literally billions of repair records. This is a Snap-on exclusive no one else could provide and takes just seconds to look at. We also provide OEM information through bulletins and recalls, again, specific to the code and vehicle. And we make looking at live data easy. For decades, technicians have relied on the ability to build custom data lists and graph them on Snap-on diagnostics platforms. Now, it's better than ever. The software automatically selects only the data parameters related to this code, and it flags which ones are out of range at idle. So instead of hundreds and hundreds of possible readings, we only show you the ones that matter. We do the same with functional tests and resets, letting you know when advanced capabilities are available to help with the code. At the bottom of the page are SureTrack real fixes, each written in a consistent format: complaint, cause, and correction. Again, this is information Snap-on captures from actual repairs. I like to say it's the equivalent of having 70,000 techs, each with 40 years of experience at your side. To sum it up, we provide the coverage and information we know you need to fix today's vehicles. And we make it easy across all vehicle makes with consistent navigation and terminology. A software subscription delivers regular vehicle coverage advancements, expert information, and provides access to the growing list of vehicles with secure gateways. No one invests more in diagnostics than Snap-on, with engineering teams around the world. For a tool you should use with every repair, why would you think about anything else?